Hello friends, hope doing good. I'm come back again and now I show you how you can delete messages from your iPhone. If you iPhone user, yeah, then you can stay with me. Otherwise, you can skip this video. I don't want to use waste your time. Okay. So first of all, you just tap here the message options. Okay. Then you can choose any message as you want to delete. All right. So I just want to detect this message. Then I want to tap here and hold few seconds. Then come up some option like pin and markers read and hide alerts. All right. Though I want to just delete here and showing the coming the pop-up for confirmation. All right. So if you want to confirm and ensure, yes, I want to delete. Then you just tap here the delete option. I mean delete button. Otherwise, you can tap the cancel. Sometimes by mistake we are making delete, and then if you don't want, then you can just cancel. Alright. So I want to delete, and I just tap the delete option. Yeah, all done. It's easy. You can do it. Okay, thanks, and please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Bye bye.